Struggling to choose between NARS liquid concealer versus NARS spot concealer, then this video is for you because I'm gonna decode each and every pointer related to both of these concealers. So you can see here I've got liquid concealer in mini size and pot concealer obviously in full size because it doesn't come in mini size. And I have got two shades for both of these concealers because I have under eye darkness and I need to have two shades, one darker as well as a shade lighter to conceal and camouflage my under eye darkness. So under liquid concealers, I have the shade caramel and custard. And under pot concealers, I have the shade ginger as well as custard. So let's see the difference. Here I'm going with the shade caramel. If you belong to dry skin type people, then this concealer is for you because it's very creamy. It doesn't settle on your dry patches and it blends beautifully and effortlessly. But yes, it's less pigmented than this one because it has hell lot of coverage and this one is medium in coverage. Let me blend it out. Here I'm using a Damn Beauty blender to blend it out and you can see the difference. You can see the coverage. I'm not satisfied with the coverage, so I'm going again with one more layer. This has medium coverage, but it's very creamy, very blendable. Here you go. On this side, I'm gonna apply NARS Pot Concealer in the shade Ginger. And you need the tiniest of quantity of this concealer. Just this one would be enough to cover my entire under eye. आपने नोटिस किया होगा इस साइड हमने दो बार ही लगाया एंड इस साइड जस्ट आई हैव डिप्ड माय फिंगर वंस एंड इट कवर्ड माय एंटायर अंडर आई एंड द फिनिश इज आल्सो phenomenal. If you belong to oily skin type, then this concealer is the one for you because it won't produce any excess oil and it's little drying under your eyes. It has full coverage compared to this one which has medium coverage and it's not as easy to blend as this one. Like you have to be very quick in blending this concealer out while you can just play around, gather around and then blend this concealer because it gives you some time to blend around, but this one is not forgiving. It doesn't give you any time to blend the concealer out. Now let me apply the highlighting concealer as well. On this side, I'm going with the shade Custard. You need much more quantity of this concealer compared to this one because this one has high coverage and this one has medium coverage and you require a little bit of more quantity compared to this one. And I have Custard shade in pot concealer as well, so I'll be applying this one on this side. Though both of the shades are custard, but they don't seem similar. This one is much more brighter as compared to this one. Let me blend it out. First, I'll be blending this side out because this one is gonna dry if I'll wait for good 30 or 40 seconds more and settle in on my fine lines. If I'll take some time in blending this one out, and you can see the coverage, my dark circles are almost concealed. And let me blend this side out as well. You can see this eye looks much more brighter as compared to this one. I don't know why, though I have used Custard as an highlighting shade on both of my eyes. This is up to you which side, which are you gonna pick. This much more hydrated as compared to the pot concealer side. This one looks absolutely matte. So if you are from the oily skin type, then this one would be a perfect match. But if you are from dry skin type or normal skin type, then this is the one you should go for. One point I wanna put across is this side has a little bit less creasing as compared to this one. Obviously, it's a hydrating concealer. So here my crease lines are much more prominent as compared to this one. Pot concealers are kind of self-setting, but you have to set this liquid concealer with a powder, otherwise it's gonna crease and transfer bad. Which side would you pick? Comment down below and follow for more such amazing videos.